Welcome to our deep dive into the art of manifesting your desires and programming your subconscious mind for unparalleled success. This exploration isn't just about achieving what you want, but fundamentally understanding how and why certain practices are profoundly effective in aligning our deepest selves with our highest aspirations. Let's start from the ground up by defining what it means to have a clear and specific vision. Imagine holding a map in your hands, one that leads to a treasure you dearly desire. The clarity of that map, the precision of its routes and landmarks determine not just the ease of your journey, but also the certainty of reaching your treasure. Similarly, your vision for your life and your goals serves as this map. The clearer and more specific it is, the more likely you are to navigate through life's complexities and reach your desired destination. Now, how do we begin crafting such a vision? It starts with truly knowing what you want, not just on a surface level, but deeply understanding what resonates with your core. This is not about what others expect of you or what society deems successful, but what you truly desire for your own life's narrative. What ignites passion and excitement within you? Is it starting your own business, achieving personal growth, helping others, or perhaps attaining spiritual enlightenment? Once you pinpoint these desires, the next step is to visualize them in vivid detail. This is where specificity comes into play. If your goal is to start a business, what kind of business is it? Who are your customers? What does a day at your business look like? How does it feel to work there? The more detailed your visualization, the more real it becomes to your subconscious mind, which is a powerful ally in making your vision a reality. To strengthen this vision, you need to align it with positive affirmations. These are not just hopeful thoughts, but powerful assertions that shape how you see yourself and your potential. Statements like, "I am capable and well-equipped to start my successful business," reinforce your belief in your ability to manifest your vision. Why is this step so crucial? Because your subconscious mind plays a significant role in directing your behavior and reactions throughout your life. It's like fertile soil where your repeated thoughts and beliefs take root, grow, and eventually bear the fruits of your actions. By planting seeds of positivity and success in your subconscious, you nurture them to grow into reality. At this point, let us pause and reflect on this question. What deeply held belief might be holding you back from envisioning your success clearly? Sculpting the mind's eye. Harnessing the subconscious for visionary success. Having established a clear and specific vision, our next step involves aligning your subconscious mind to this vision. This is crucial because the subconscious mind is where many of our decisions, actions, and reactions are formulated, often without our conscious awareness. To align it with our conscious goals, we must employ consistent and focused techniques to effectively program it. One of the most potent methods to achieve this alignment is through the practice of meditation. Meditation allows you to calm the noise of everyday life and focus deeply on your vision. It's a time when you can reinforce the clarity and details of what you desire, embedding these into your subconscious. During meditation, visualize your goals as already accomplished. Feel the emotions associated with that success, whether it's joy, pride, or fulfillment. This practice not only brings peace to your mind, but also acts as a signal to the subconscious that your vision is attainable and worth striving for. Another powerful technique is the use of scripted rehearsals or visualizations. This involves running through a detailed scenario of your envisioned success in your mind's eye, repeatedly. It's like rehearsing for a play where you are the lead actor and the script is your vision. Each rehearsal embeds this script deeper into your subconscious, making it familiar and accessible. This technique is particularly beneficial because the subconscious mind often does not distinguish between real and vividly imagined experiences. Both are treated as real, which can powerfully influence your behavior and decisions in line with your goals. Journaling is another transformative tool at your disposal. Writing down your thoughts, struggles, progress, and breakthroughs provides not only a release but also a track of your journey towards your vision. It serves as a feedback loop, providing you insights into your own patterns and offering you clues on how to better align your subconscious with your conscious mind. How do these practices work together to program your subconscious mind? They create a consistent pattern of thoughts and beliefs that your subconscious begins to accept as your reality. Over time, this acceptance transforms into actions and decisions that are aligned with achieving your vision. Now, consider what techniques you might already be using that influence your subconscious mind. Are they aligning with your goals or pulling you away from them? Navigating the labyrinth. Mastering the art of overcoming obstacles on the path to success. In the unfolding narrative of our lives, as we ambitiously pursue our dreams and aspirations, recognizing and adeptly navigating the labyrinth of challenges that lie ahead is essential. These challenges, while daunting, serve as pivotal moments that test the strength of our commitment and the clarity of our vision. Mastering these barriers is not merely about keeping our trajectory towards success intact. It is about refining our inner resolve and transforming obstacles into stepping stones. One of the most insidious barriers to success is doubt. These shadows often lurk in the recesses of our minds, cast by past failures or the imposing weight of societal expectations. Doubt can blur the contours of our vision, making the path forward seem uncertain and fraught with peril. The key to dispelling this fog lies in the deliberate reinforcement of our self-belief through positive affirmations and the inspiring tales of those who have traversed similar paths. Every iconic figure in any field has, at some point, wrestled with doubt and emerged victorious. Reflecting on these stories and identifying the strategies they employed provides not only a reprogramming of the subconscious to embrace possibility, but also practical strategies to dismantle the barriers of doubt. Achieving any significant vision is akin to running a marathon, not a sprint, and inconsistency is a formidable foe in this long-haul journey. There are inevitable days when the destination seems unreachable, and your initial fervor fades into the background. To counteract wavering motivation, integrating daily rituals that align with your ultimate goals is vital. Whether it's meditation to clear your mind, visualization to keep your goals in sharp focus, or journaling to track your progress, these practices ensure that every day, irrespective of its challenges, contributes to the tapestry of your larger vision. Consistency isn't just about keeping pace. It's about building a momentum that propels you forward even when enthusiasm ebbs. External factors also wield considerable influence over our ability to stay true to our path. The spaces we inhabit and the people we surround ourselves with can either nourish our aspirations or stifle them. Evaluating your current environment critically and making conscious choices about your surroundings is crucial. This might mean surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your passion and drive, or crafting a workspace that breathes inspiration into your everyday. Constructing a supportive ecosystem that aligns with your vision is not about isolation. It's about enhancing your capacity to succeed. Interestingly, sometimes what holds us back is not the fear of failure but a deep-seated fear of success. This paradoxical fear stems from an apprehension about the changes success will bring. To overcome this, it's essential to not only envision achieving your goals, but also to thoroughly contemplate the life that follows. Understanding the potential changes, anticipating how you will manage them, and reassuring yourself of your capability to adapt are all part of preparing for success. Mental simulations of post-success scenarios can demystify the unknown and reduce anxiety related to change. As you reflect on these diverse obstacles, consider their presence in your own journey. Identifying them is the first step. Actively addressing them is where true progress begins. What strategies have you employed, and what more can you do to ensure these challenges no longer impede your progress? In conclusion, the journey to success is fraught with numerous challenges, but each obstacle presents a unique opportunity to advance, to learn, and to grow. By understanding and addressing these challenges, you not only move closer to achieving your goals but also evolve into a more resilient and insightful individual, capable of navigating any path, no matter how labyrinthine it may appear. Embodying the future. The art of living your vision. Daily. Living out a vision isn't merely about setting goals or visualizing success. It's a profound journey of embodying the future self you aspire to be every single day. This process is about aligning every facet of your being, your actions, decisions, and interactions, with the qualities of the successful individual you aim to become. By doing so, you not only reinforce your subconscious programming, but also create a magnetic pull that attracts the opportunities and energies aligned with your deepest aspirations. To embody your future self, start by asking a simple yet transformative question. How would I carry myself, make decisions, and interact with others if I had already achieved my goals? This isn't about pretending or living beyond your means. It's about stepping into the shoes of your successful future self right now. It involves adopting the mindset, work ethic, and demeanor you envision for yourself at the pinnacle of your success. For instance, if your vision includes being a leader in your field, begin nurturing leadership qualities today. Take initiative, be proactive in your communications, and be the leader you are destined to be, even in small, everyday interactions. However, embodying your desired future isn't a static process but a dynamic one that requires constant monitoring and adjustment. Just as a captain navigates a ship through changing seas, adjusting its course in response to the wind and weather, you too must be prepared to tweak and refine your course. This means regularly reflecting on whether your daily actions are still in alignment with your vision. Are the steps you're taking today bringing you closer to your goals? What new insights or circumstances might require a shift in your approach? By staying attuned to this continuous feedback loop, you ensure that your path remains relevant and directed towards your ultimate objectives. Incorporating this level of self-reflection and flexibility into your routine is crucial, but there is another element that is just as essential: gratitude. Embracing gratitude is transformative. It grounds you, keeps your spirits high, and enhances your vibrational frequency, drawing more positivity into your life. Make it a daily practice to reflect on what you are grateful for, be it the progress towards your goals, the people who support you, or the simple joys of life. This practice not only nurtures a positive outlook but also fortifies your resolve to push forward, even in the face of adversity. The journey towards living out your vision is continuous and dynamic. It demands clarity, dedication, alignment, and the flexibility to adapt. As you navigate this path, remember that each step taken is integral to a larger journey of growth and self-realization. It's about more than reaching a destination. It's about evolving as a person and impacting the world in meaningful ways. As we conclude our exploration into creating and living a vision, consider the actionable steps you can take today to further align your daily actions with your grand vision. What tangible actions will you take tomorrow? How will you ensure that every day is a step toward becoming the person you aspire to be? Thank you for joining me on this profound journey of self-discovery and achievement. May your path be enlightening, your challenges transformative, and your achievements deeply fulfilling. Embrace this journey wholeheartedly, for in doing so, you step into a future brimming with potential and promise.